What to look for in a qualified air duct cleaning service. Most people aren't aware of how dirty their ducts of their heating and air conditioning systems can actually get. Nor do most know what to look for to hire an air duct cleaner. Dust, dirt, dead bugs, bug droppings, and other contaminants build up in your air ducts over time, to include levels of humidity that could cause mold and mildew to form in the air ducts of your system. Cleaning the air ducts is important. But what should you look for in an air duct cleaning service? The following are some very important points to consider. First, find an heating and air conditioner contractor that provides air duct cleaning. Make sure the company is licensed, bonded and insured. This way you'll be assured that the technicians cleaning your air system are properly trained to perform proper cleaning of your ductwork and air system. Also, in the unlikely event that if something should go wrong, the contractor has the insurance to protect whatever property is damaged and has the knowledge to properly correct the situation. An unlicensed contractor may quote you a lower price for air duct system cleaning, but you may end up paying many times over when the job turns into a disaster. Second, you want a company that uses the proper equipment. A good company will most likely have the state-of-the-art duct cleaning equipment on their service truck. It requires a lot more than just a shop vac to properly clean a heating and air conditioning system. You don't want someone with shoddy, ineffective equipment, charging you money to simply go through the motions of the cleaning without really removing any of the dirt and filth that may be in your ducts. Third, you should ask to see references and testimonials of the company's air duct cleaning performance. Many people ask a contractor for references, but never check. Checking references and testimonials is a very important step when it comes to hiring a contractor to do any type of work on your home. A reference is the only way you can determine if the company that you are considering hiring will do a quality air duct cleaning job and that they charge what their estimates say they are going to charge. Some air duct cleaning companies will tell you whatever you want to hear to get your money. If a company can't provide at least 5 verifiable references of their work, then you should seriously think twice about hiring them. Fourth, you should get something in writing as to what the company is going to do and what, if any, workmanship guarantees they provide to assure they will properly clean your air systems. Fifth, virtually all reputable service companies will give you a free estimate so you can compare the prices. However, make sure that when you settle on an air duct cleaning company based on price, that you can trust the company will do the work properly. Finally, check the company's certification. If the service company is certified with the NADCA, or National Air Duct Cleaners Association, then you can rest assured that they are licensed and trained properly to perform the work on your heating and air conditioning system. If you can't find anyone that seems to be qualified or capable of doing the work that you want done in your home, then you can contact NADCA and they will recommend a licensed and insured air duct cleaner contractor in your area that can properly handle your duct cleaning job. You should never hire an air duct cleaning contractor, or any other contractor for that matter, to do work in your home solely based on a low price or advertisement. There are many things that you need to consider before making your final decision. The most important is to do due diligence in using these simple steps in choosing the air duct cleaner for your home.